Hi, in this tutorial I'm going to show you how to change power button action when you press it in Windows 10. So if you want to do it, you need to click right mouse button on icon with a start and you need to go to run. Here on open field you need to type control and click OK. Then you will be on the control panel and here you need to go to system and security, and now we need to go to power options. Here from the left panel we need to go to choose what the power buttons do. And here you can change this one option. When I press the power button, you can select the action that should be made. On default it is set to sleep, but of course you can select here hibernate, shut down on turn off the display, or if you don't want to do anything you can select here do nothing. So for example I will change it to shut down on battery mode, but in plug it in I will change it to shut down. After that you need to click save change. And now changes have been successfully implemented. So it's all for today. If I helped you, remember to like this tutorial and subscribe my channel. Don't forget to check links in description.